Welcome back. Today is December 17th, Thursday, and on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets before diving into Matic Network, Matic USD, price action, and see what has changed since last time. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're now giving away 4 free stocks instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, see what exactly is going on in the markets first. Most importantly, I do like to take a look at Bitcoin dominance. Tells me where the money could be trending into. Bitcoin dominance up over 2% since yesterday. Now it's at about 66%. This tells me when Bitcoin dominance is trending upwards, there could be fewer trading opportunities for altcoins as opposed to if it's trending downwards. I do think most of the opportunities, if they exist, occur when Bitcoin price action is trending upwards on average. Now, Bitcoin price action is having a slight pullback since it has got to its all-time highs yesterday, very close to 24K, now back down to below 23K. I do expect Bitcoin price action to continue upwards. On the hourly time frame, it does look like it's trying to form in the ascending triangle pattern on the hourly time frame. You guys let me know what you think. Now let's see what exactly is going on with Matic today. I'll be sharing with you my bullish and bearish case scenario, as well as the short-term price prediction today. Now, on the weekly time frame, I think it's most apparent that the price action here has formed an inverse head and shoulders pattern. There has been some attempts on breaking out and very sporadic movements. However, the price action has never managed to close above the weekly 21 simple moving average since this right side of this pattern has been formed. Okay, so there has been attempts to actually break out of this pattern, but I don't consider it to be a breakout just yet until the price action actually gets a close above the weekly 21 simple moving average. This would tell me it's a more sustainable breakout rather than a very quick move up and then come back down. Now, I have my neckline to be the inverse head and on the inverse head and shoulders pattern to be about 2 cents, okay? Because, let me explain why. This would include all of the major moving averages that are in its proximity, including the weekly 21 simple moving average, which is at about 2 cents, the 3-day 50 simple moving average, which is right underneath 2 cents, the daily 200 simple moving average, the orange line right here, right underneath this neckline, and most of them are downward sloping. So this time, if the price action actually gets a weekly close on top of the weekly 21 simple moving average, this would tell me that this is going to be a sustainable breakout and not just one of these where the price action goes up really quickly before coming back down. But I think that's going to depend on a lot of timing, because if the price action goes up at the beginning of the week, this could tell me it's going to be quite a few days to actually get a confirmation. So you guys might want to develop your own strategy in either holding this or trading this. Now, let's take a look into the measure target of this breakout. The measure target of this breakout is about 2.9 cents, a little under that, okay? Basically, by taking the distance between the neckline and the wick right here, and then adding it back on top of the neckline. However, this measure target may or may not be reached. It is only theory, and there are some major resistances between the breakout point and the measure target, namely the 0.5 fib level currently about 2.2 cents, and then the 0.618 fib level at about 2.5 cents. So those are going to be the possible levels where I will see a pullback. Now let's explore the bullish and bearish case scenarios for Matic for today. The bullish case scenario, if of course the price action gets above 2 cents again, depending on the day of the week, I can see a confirmation sooner or later. So if, for example, the breakout happens on a Sunday very close to the weekly time frame close, the weekly candle close, this would tell me I will get my confirmation earlier. Versus if I see a breakout above 2 cents on a Monday, I would expect to see the confirmation 6 days away. But you guys do you. That is basically just my opinion. Now that is the measure target. That is the bullish case scenario. Let's explore the bearish case scenario. The bearish case scenario, currently I do see the price action. It's immediately being supported by the daily 21 simple moving average, which I consider to be a major moving average, and it is right above it. However, also let's also note that for the past couple of days, the price action has been trying to get back on top of this daily 21 simple moving average. So getting back on top of this moving average is progress to possibly breaking out again. So with that said, if price action starts getting daily candle closes below this daily 21 simple moving average again, this tells me that the breakout is either going to be delayed or further downward price action is expected. So this is something I'm watching out for. Now, these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today for Matic USD. You guys let me know if you found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. Hope you guys manage your risk carefully. And if you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.